Yeah, good evening, guys. Welcome to Spider e-learning. This video, we are going to discuss upon a super price action trade, which can be entered and exited within the early 20 to 30 minutes of the market. Market will have a huge rush of movements in the early half an hour of the market. This query makes you simplify that how to make entry and exit easily and get the intraday profits. So let's go ahead to our subject. Before to go ahead to subject, let us have small view about the settings what I have done. I have gone to the action reply. It's 9:17 now. I suspended the action reply of the cash. If you see the date here, 5th July. Here the date we have 5th July. I have taken two charts, plain one, right, and it is a technical query which is protected query. It contains the conditions on, it generates the buy calls. This formula is built with so much of conditions where we can assure that we'll get immediate profit after the entry. Now let us have a dimension of the strategy before going ahead. 9:17 to 9:20 trades which scanned in the scanner, and 9:20 after we scanned this scanner should be entered with a different checkpoints. So those stocks which has crossed these two, we have seen four red lines, which has crossed these two red lines, second red line within 9:70 to 9:20, it's one segment, and those stocks which crossed the second red line after 9:20 should be handled differently. Let us keep the scanner. Let us see what all skips we got scanned from 9:17 to 9:23 in the scanner. I am keeping the live query, then I am removing the suspend, then we skips got started scanning in the scanner. It's 9:17 now. Let us increase the speed to 9:22 till. Let us see what all the scripts we came. We are going to analyze and confirm the entry based on 1 minute chart only. How to enter and how to exit we'll discuss. We got Solar Industries, Crompton, CCL, KPR Mill, JK Lakshmi, VMart. We are going to confirm a trades by manually checking one or two points. Now 9:18, 9:19, 9:90 we got Tata Communication, Bosch, Pidilite. 9:20. Let's we see the scanning till 9:22, and we'll stop the scanner and check out the entries, what to trade, what not to trade at 9:22 out of the scan scripts. Okay, let's suspend now. 9:22 we'll have till 9:23, 9:25. So we got a scripts till 9:23, the above scripts. I'm making the speed to 1, I'm suspending it, I'm removing the scanner from live. Then let us have a discussion on each script what is got scanned. Let us go to Tata Communication. It's a 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. 9:16, 9:17, 9:18, 9:19. It has crossed the second red line at 9:19. So those scripts which crossed after 9:18, after crossing the candle, don't buy here now. After crossing, let us this candle fully closed. After the close, whatever the high it has made, then after the price should trade at least one or two trades above this high. Then you are going to enter. Then you are going to hold the script for a 15-20 minutes, or you will book based upon the percentage of profit. And next is we got Fine Organics. Fine organist touched the second red line at 9:22. Perfect. CCL has touched second red line at the morning itself by 9:16. Within 9:18 this eye got broken. So we have seen an entry confirmation here. Pidlite second red line crossed at 9:20. Immediately it has made a new high. We got a confirmation here. And Crompton, after touching 9:20 second red line, the price has not traded above this high, above the high which has broken the red line. So there will not be any position. Solar Industries, we got a confirmation here, and we got a small move around 9:18 above this one, 1638. Fine. Now Bosch Limited, we got a confirmation over here. So we gone through the scripts where we are going to get confirmation that any time which is crossing the red line above the day high, we are going to confirm the trade. Let us have a view how the stocks performed after within 9:25, whether the stocks has rised or not, how many got succeed, how many got failure. We'll have a review. Now 9:25. Generally, we will mostly the strategy trades can be exited within 9:25. So 9:30 now. I increase the speed to 20. 9:31. Let us stop till 9:40, see what is the result of the output. Tata Communication, we entered here 1356, it gone to 1386, 30 rupees movement, superb movement. Pidlite, we entered here 2210, 50 rupees movement, more than 2% movement. Then let us go to the Fine Org. We have entered 3000, it got to 3030. Then let us go to Solar Industries. We entered here, somewhere here. Actually, this illiquid stock. In the liquid stocks, if there is any stability of the rally, it's more good rather than any of. But we will exit somewhere here. The movement should be happen immediately. Otherwise, we'll exit. VMart. After 9:18 entry, it got immediately fall. We don't want immediate fall. We want immediate rise to confirm a trade. Again, if it came up also, we will not take. We need immediate rise in the stock. Crompton, it has broken late, will not confirm. We need an immediate action towards the crossing the day high again. So the strategy shown you that Bosch, we have confirmed the trade immediately after crossing the second red line. It has crossed this also. We see tremendous rally. So the viewers understood that how we have been making this trading simple. A trader need to make his systems simple with creating the formulas of whatever the conditions you want to integrate. This formula is been integrated keeping in perspective of the price action, level breakout, daily chart trend, weekly chart trend, and 240 minutes trend. So we need to categorize the things in a very structured manner and build your own strategies so that it can be executable and generate returns fastly. That is only possible with a software like Spider, which has a huge potential to scan the required inputs in a real time phase, and traders can plan the fast moving stock movements very easily. So viewers, thanking you for listening this video, and anyone interested, kindly contact us with the below details.